Hi guys, welcome to Seb's Sessions. My name is Seb and I'm the head mixologist for Gin and Tonic. I'm here today to walk you through our perfect serve on craft hopped gin. So, we're gonna start off by pre-chilling the glass. Right, that's nice and cold. Next, we're gonna be adding a double ounce of craft hopped gin. Next, we're gonna ice that up all the way to the top. Now it's time for the mixer. And for this, we went for Aromatic Tonic, just to complement the hops inside the gin. We're gonna give that just an extra stir to blend in all the flavors. That's lovely. So last but not least, we're gonna garnish with fresh orange slice and plenty of juniper berries. Finish that off with a straw and we're ready to enjoy. There we have it. Craft perfect serve. Aromatic, orange and juniper berries. Enjoy, cheers.